wetland, which is within in the area of the Karama village, Kabingo parish, Bihanga sub-county. Where we are here, we are at the border. We are at the border of Kamwenge district and Uganda district. This wetland traverses between the two districts. This side is Kamwenge district, the other side is Uganda district. Here, the reason why we are here, we are coming to see where this wetland have come from and where it is now. In 2021, that is 2020 and 2021, this area used to be bare. There used to be no vegetation here. It was encroached on by both crop cultivators and the charcoal burners. And when Nature Uganda came, UBF came in with Nature Uganda, we signed a memorandum of understanding with the Kamwenge district to work within the 15-kilometer radius from the refugee settlement. And this is one of the wetlands because Bihanga sub-county borders with Rwamwanja refugee settlement, and this is one of the wetlands that we chose that UBF and Nature Uganda help Kamwenge district to restore. Now, here UBF and Nature Uganda came here in 2021. We started with the community sensitizations. We did mapping of this area together with the Kamwenge district and the UBF and Nature Uganda. We started slowly by slowly, whereby the communities formed groups. And through these groups is where we used to go through and sensitize them about the dangers of encroachment, the importances of these wetlands, so that at least we can restore this wetland back to its original state. As you can see by now, you can see the green vegetation behind me. You can see the butterflies are enjoying the area. We have different bird species within this area. They have come back because the trees are also growing back. Unlike the 2019 and the 2020 time. When you see in my background across, they are pillars. UBF and Nature Uganda have helped us to demarcate 15 kilometers of Rushango wetland. And it is through wetland demarcation that as a district we can properly manage these wetlands, because these wetlands are resources whereby the communities, because of the scarce land issues that we have, the communities think that in a wetland there are fertile soils and they want to come and cultivate within the wetlands. Because of the poor practices, agricultural practices that they do on the upper land, they think in the wetland they have virgin land and they want to come and look for better yields. That's why sometimes you find us putting ropes between the communities adjacent to these wetlands and the government.
Imagine if you have got, I think Wamanja has got about 150,000 refugees. Chaka is maybe another 70,000 or something like that. You can imagine if all those people go into the wetland, what it will happen. You are not only going to drain the wetlands, kill biodiversity, but also open up the wetland. I'll not go deep into that, but open up the wetland for emission of carbon from peat, and which now will cause more problems for climate change. So although it's not a particular target for the project, but on the bigger picture, we're also hoping to make a contribution to mitigation and adaptation to climate change by those communities we are working with.